excited I get to fly with my friend Marie today. Marie is on a mission. She's out to conquer all of her fears, and one of her fears is flying in a small airplane. She told me she was extremely afraid and almost canceled, but she mustered the courage to come anyway. I assured her after our flight today, she would no longer have a fear of flying in a small airplane. Today was a perfect day for the flight. Conditions were perfect for a nice ride, and I knew she would enjoy it. I even challenged her to help me with the controls. She was adamant about it at first, but then decided to muster up the courage to do it, and did an excellent job. I really admire her mission to conquer all of her fears. She wants to do everything that she's afraid of. That takes some courage. So I was happy to help her with this one. As the flight progressed and we flew out to the shoreline and down to South Beach along the shoreline, she started to relax a little bit and forgot that she was afraid of flying in small airplanes. How about that? She was actually having fun. I took her out to Key Biscayne, and then I took her out to Stiltsville. Her curiosity and fascination made her forget all about her fears. She didn't even remember that she was afraid. She was having too much fun now. As we flew by Brickell, downtown, and Bayside. She was enjoying every aspect of it. There were a lot of cruise ships in the port, so we decided to go and take a closer look at the cruise ships. So much fun and seemed disappointed when I told her that it was time to head back, but we had to go back. I was so happy that she had a great time flying with me. I was so happy to be a part of this.
That reaction,
I'm excited.
That reaction right there tells you she had a good time.
Is gone.
She she
The fear is gone.
There you go.
God is good.
all the time.
Hello. All the
Yeah.
time. God is good and God is good.
All the time.
Amen.
You better
Yes.
believe it. And she flew a little bit and she had a great time.